In this video, we are going to create a NAT gateway and associate with subnet. Alright, I am on the Azure portal. Let's go ahead and create a NAT gateway. NAT gateway, search for the NAT gateway. And what we do here, we create a NAT gateway. Create NAT gateway. And let's make sure that we input whatever that we need to. Alright, so here resource group, let's go ahead and select the resource group. That's the resource group. NAT gateway, let's give some name. My NAT gateway, nothing fancy there. Availability zone, if you want something, in zone, we say no zone. In this particular case, timeout, it has to be 4 to 120 minutes. Then you select the public IP address. We got one public IP address, you can see that, and we also got prefix, right? We select that. If you want to associate, it's not necessary that you have to associate both of them, but that is how you can do that, right? Let's go to the next one, and you select the virtual network. We say that it's a spoke, and we select the subnet where we want to do the association. Then tag review. And let's see, the validation comes green, because that's important, and will tell us that we input the values rightly, right? Running the final validation, you can see validation pass. And let's go ahead and create the NAT gateway. Now this is the managed service. You only provided the IP address in this particular case, which was created in the earlier demos, but this is how NAT gateway is created. Now we associated this NAT gateway with one of the subnet, right? That is what you have seen it. It means that now whatever the workload that we're going to deploy in that particular subnet, the outbound to the internet will be through NAT gateway. All right. And if we go to the a virtual network, let the things pop up here before we go there. I just want to make sure that we see the state rightly. Nothing more than that. All right, it's taking a time, so let's go there on the virtual network. It doesn't matter. And this is where we assign the NAT gateway to. Yeah, this is where we assign the NAT gateway to the subnet. That's the subnet. And let's see what we get here in the NAT gateway. You see that one of the element came for a NAT gateway as my NAT gateway, because that is where we associate it while creating. You can do it later as well, not necessary you have to do that at the time of creation itself, but that is how you can associate the NAT gateway with a specific subnet. That's all.